Hi! In front of me is Nokia T20 and today I would like to show you how you can change the food apps on this device. First of all, go into Play Store and download your new food app. In my case, it will be Opera Mini. You don't need to open it, just wait for it to download and just home button. Now you can go into Settings. Click on Apps and Notifications, select Advanced and choose the food apps. Then pick one of those options. I want to change my browser apps, I have to tap on it, select Opera Mini and go back. And as you can see now, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!